SM Studios here, and man, oh man, do we have an exclusive for Google Pixel fans today. Check this out. This is crazy. All in the following images, we can see the backside and front display of the supposed Pixel 8 Pro. That's right. This is the very first live image. The front image is of the fast boot screen where you can see the code name of Husky listed, as well as 12 GB Samsung DDR5 RAM and 128 GB storage. This appears to be the base model or variant offering we are viewing. There is also a mention of rip current in the bootloader, which I'm going to assume is related to the chipset inside. The Tensor G2 was attached to the name Cloud Rippy early on for some time, and also as GS201. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro should have a Tensor G3 inside, and this could reference that in some way. The Tensor G3 has also been attached to a codename of Zuma, which is mentioned on the back of this test device. Speaking of the backside, there are loads of stickers pointing out that this is a test device, like for test and evaluation only, and that it has not been authorized by the Federal Communications Committee, FCC, to be sold or leased. It is for internal testing and development only. At least one sticker has been blurred, but below that you can see the Zuma B1 sticker. We also get to see the camera setup with 3 big boy sensors on the top back of the device. The rounded corners of the device that look like they will be lovely to rest in our palms, and a weird pattern on the back glass. This is clearly in a development stage and not retail hardware, so don't take too much from the finishes. It looks like the device could be held within a protective case as well. The camera system is reported to include a 50 megapixel main sensor, 64 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and a 5x telephoto lens. You can see that odd temperature sensor under the flash as well, and the camera is all within a single window, unlike the Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 7 Pro that feature telephoto lenses on their own separately. Again, the images come from a Reddit user who claims he received this from the device team, Google, for testing. He seems very casual about sharing something that he should definitely not be sharing. I'm sure this will be the last Pixel Google gives him to quote-unquote test. Thank you for viewing the SM Studios YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel for all the latest news and reviews from within the mobile technology world. Stay tuned, because the way things are going, the next Pixel 8 leak is right around the corner, and we will for sure be the first ones to bring that news straight to you. Until next time, we out. Peace.